Here's how to reprogram remote control on a 2009 Golf. The remote control doesn't work, but I'm suspecting that the remote control is faulty. Although the light is flashing, the central locking doesn't work. So I'm gonna try to reprogram this one, and in case of that one doesn't work, I have another one, a second-hand remote, just to give it a go, just to try. And this is the one ending in G, like part number. What is it? Is the one ending in 753G. Yep. So ignition on Volkswagen. Manual selection. Europe. Golf. 2004, 2009. Yes. Control unit. Remote system. Come on. Okay. It's gonna ask to unlock the car from inside here. Okay. Add remote control. Already done that. Okay. Press the button. Press the button. The indicators should flash. Oh, success. Okay. Nope. What lies. Okay. Ignition on again. Add remote control. Press unlock. Okay. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Okay. Press on the button. Aha. See? Succeeded. You're lying. Okay. Take that off. Nothing. Yep. So faulty remote control. Take that out. You put that in. And now we have a working key. Yay. Ta-da!